disappointing day, a crack below 5,700. More importantly, Pat, what stocks should you be executing trades on? Let's chat about that. And first, let's bring in Pranay Jain from our research desk on board. Pranay, stocks to watch?
Well, Aditya Birla Nuvo is the stock that most analysts are very bullish on in the medium term, as the company enjoys a very strong position in all the diversified businesses that it operates in. It's among the top 5 players in the AMC as well as the insurance business, and it holds about 25.3% stake in Idea. Now that holds very deep value for the company, as that is valued around 11,500 crores as of today's price. The management of the company has also reiterated its confidence in the growth that it sees in the NBFC business that will continue at about 24-25% sequential growth that it clocked in the last fiscal. And it also expects the good improvement to come in life insurance business in the second half of this fiscal. Also, according to reports, the divestment of the carbon black business is expected to be soon, and the enterprise value of this segment is about 1,450 crores. So that will strengthen the balance sheet significantly. And also, the buzz has returned back on the street that the company will be looking to exit its BPO business. So that will sharpen the company's focus further and bring value from the non-core businesses. So desks are indicating a strong accumulation by HNIs, which provides a strong margin of safety also going forward, as the stock has held firm in the current choppy markets. Next is Pharma, that has seen an intraday fall of more than 7%, but closed after recovering and was down about only 3.2% at levels of 950. So brokerages here are saying that they had expected a one-time hit of about 25 to 30 rupees on the stock. That is reflected in today's price movement. And Citi has now recommended the investors to accumulate and in fact buy the stock on correction of 5%. Jefferies too has said that the key overhang on the stock has now been lifted. So brokerages overall are saying a bullish stance on this counter despite the penalty coming in over the medium term.
Right, Pranay, thanks a lot for that. Peter, this one's coming your way, and tempting as it may sound, is one better off still giving a skip to infrastructure and industrial stocks, because clearly whatever these companies have communicated in the past has not morphed into reality?
Well, which stocks are you talking about? I mean, our exposure to the whole sort of infrastructure theme is via the cement companies, not all of them, but selectively. You know, yes, there are far too many cement companies. It is far too competitive, and we would expect there to be consolidation. It's an industry that doesn't need that many players. It's a very, very simple business, cement. You know, we're not in the sector for the profit margins. We're not in there for the huge excess returns on capital. We're in there for the long-term growth, and we think we've picked the companies which we feel have the greatest respect and care for minority shareholders and are the most sort of sensible management team. So yeah, again, you know, it comes back to this whole question about not really being too worried about these sort of short-term sort of headwinds that these sectors occasionally experience.
Ashwini, what are your top trading ideas for tomorrow morning?
Well, Jubilant Food is a sell with a stop of 1,010, target of 950. NMDC is a sell with a stop of 112, target of 100. And Idea is a buy with a stop of 132, target of 144.
Prakash, leave in with one stock Idea, either on the short or the long side?
No, I would still go long, Aisha, and we've chosen Lupin to look at. You know, given the fact that people would look at some flight to safety, Lupin seems pretty attractive, and given the fact that the Japanese market has suddenly opened up in terms of online generic sales, Lupin should benefit tremendously from that simple small move.